What's up, guys? So today I'm pretty excited. I got the Busse knife back from the custom shop. This was sent out on August 1st, so it's been about a month, about 4 weeks or so. Actually, this was supposed to be delivered a couple days ago, but it wasn't here. I had to sign for it, so forth. Anyway, I have it back now. When it arrived there, I got a telephone call from Jerry Busse. Very, very nice. Again, took a look at the knife, gave me the option of fully replacing it just because they don't have this particular model anymore, especially in the LMAX. It's something they did, kind of a limited run. Again, if I didn't mention in the other video, I believe this was available only at Blade Show, this particular knife in LMAX. Told me that, I can replace it with something similar if you want, completely. I can send you a brand new knife, or I can regrind this. I really like this particular knife, so I asked him if he could just fix it up and regrind it, and that's exactly what they did. So we're looking at it today. I just opened it, and this is kind of funny. I saved this. This is in the package around the knife. So obviously, once they, do their sharpening on a knife, they do a quick little test. Anyway, with no further ado, let's check out this blade. And there it is. So we have a tip again. Very, very cool. I grabbed paper and pen. In a second here, I'm going to show you what I believe that they did to regrind this. It's actually a pretty straightforward process. It's just a little time consuming, and they had to literally stop what they were doing in the custom shop in order to fix this one up, which was greatly appreciated. There's no charge. They didn't make any money on this. They're just standing behind their product. For that, I'm going to put the knife down and give them a 2 thumbs up for customer service. It was also explained that I did not buy this knife, that I traded for it. Totally understood that. Understands there's a lot of trading that happens in the knife community. Just couldn't be happier with the experience. I know their custom shop is always behind because it's so popular. They're like 6 months to a year behind as far as orders go. So literally just stopping for a customer, to fix up a blade so you can get it back to them and have it usable again. Not that it was unusable, but you know what I mean. It's just really, really awesome. So very happy with that. Before I sent this off, I measured this, and it was 3.5 inches long. So let's take a look at this now. Remember, I'm using this side. And would you look at that? 3.5 inches exactly. All right. So what they did was reground from the back part of the broken tip. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. I'm going to have a crude drawing, but you guys will get the point. So we have our knife blade that was broken. All right. Something along those lines, right? So there it was. We had a broken tip. So what they did was they used the very highest end to keep the length as long as possible. Use the highest end, okay, and ground off this piece of metal. So, using it on the grinder, just coming in and grinding down, getting this angle right, so now you have a tip again. All right, pretty simple concept. The only problem that takes a lot of skill, well, obviously with the right machines and the right experience, it's not that big of a deal, but to come back and follow this exact grind, all right, because you have to go back and redo that portion there. And then you're going to take your secondary bevel as well to actually sharpen it. All right, so coming in and doing this whole section, after grinding off the metal, it's difficult. It's hard to do that, all right? So someone like me or you, first time trying that, it would come out like crap. But someone who's been, making knives for many, many years now, not that big of a deal. And to be honest, you would never notice. As far as the sheath goes, you could see it still fits obviously fine in the sheath because the retention is all here in the handle. Doesn't matter if this was this long, it would still snap in the same. All right, so I was able to keep the same sheath, and now we have a tip on the knife. So I'm gonna start using this knife. Eventually you guys will see a review on this. So big thank you to Jerry, and of course, whoever's at the custom shop over at Busse Combat Knives. Awesome job. Very, very happy with that. Again, just customer service through the roof. All the people who saw the first video, all the people who've had Busse Knives before, they already knew I was going to get taken care of. The company has always gotten great praise, especially for their customer service. This was just my first personal experience. So having a nice conversation with them on the phone and, being very generous. Again, I didn't pay for this knife. I just traded one of my old knives for this knife. But he understood. He wanted to stand behind his product and gave me the option for a brand new knife or to just fix this one up. But because it's a little bit harder to find, I decided just to fix this. Also for the experience. I could have showed you guys a brand new knife, but it's just nice to know if something happens to yours, you'll get taken care of. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. Just a quick update on it. It is back. It's ready to roll with a brand new tip. Just very excited about it. All right, very cool company, standing behind their product, 100% American made. And like I said, you don't need me to tell you, the people who have these knives, they know for themselves. Thanks for watching, guys. If you happen to have a Busse knife, write down in the comments which one you have. How do you use it? What do you like about it? What don't you like about it? Let everyone know. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.